Anza is a large-scale solar and storage platform that helps you earn more project profit by rapidly making optimal design and procurement decisions. Our technology quickly gives you a full 360-degree view of the best products currently available for your project and gives you the availability to compare by cost, value, and risk. Let me show you how we do this for a solar project. As you can see, I need to provide a few key pieces of information about the project. I'll use the name Cherry Ridge, location New York, and delivery date June 2024, and a project size of, let's say, 50,000 kilowatts. I can also select the racking type and the anticipated purchase date, which I'll set for December 2023. When I hit Create Project, the engine goes to work. And just like that, you see a long list of module options, more than you've probably considered, based on how much capacity you need and when you need it. I should note that we have supply agreements with about 95% of modules available in the US market. Up at the top, you can see the project details you gave us. Note that the volume purchased to date pertains to your organization's total volume with Anza, and it drives the level of discount in our pricing. Your purchase price is cost to site and will be automatically adjusted when vendor pricing or availability changes. Now note that the ranking table is not sorted on purchase price. Rather, modules are ranked by effective dollar per watt, lowest at the top. Anza's effective dollar per watt metric was created as a tool to help module buyers choose the optimal module that creates the most financial value. The module with the lowest effective dollar per watt is the one that will maximize your project profit. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Start with the column labeled BOS, or Balance of System Savings. For every module, we run a cost model that accounts for your project's racking type, system size, and location. The cost model also factors in mechanical and electrical characteristics of each module. The number in this column represents the delta between the balance of system costs of the specific module and those of a reference module. The reference module is currently the one that has median balance of system costs and median performance characteristics. Now let's look at the production benefit column. Anza produces a PV-SYST calibrated, project-specific performance model for each module using vetted PAN files. The results of the performance model are run through a finance model with an assumed PPA rate, project term, and ITC percentage. This gives us the present value of project revenue. This column represents the delta between the project revenue of the specific model and that of the reference model. The effective dollar per watt is calculated by subtracting the balance of system savings and the production benefit from the purchase price. So it wraps the purchase price, balance of system savings, and production benefit into a single number that allows you to select the module that is most financially active. Now, the detailed ranking table is designed to let you explore options that are specific to your project and most meaningful to you. By default, we show you all the modules on our platform that meet your project inputs. However, you have the option to filter results by module attributes, availability by quarter, wattage, or even by manufacturer. For example, if you had an approved vendor list. This way, you only see options that are relevant to you. Let's take a closer look at the modules themselves. The top modules, from an effective dollar per watt perspective, are not the least expensive on the list. And as you can see, they outperform the much cheaper modules. If you look closer, the top modules are TopCon modules. That technology has significant production advantages, resulting in a higher production benefit. Now, if you choose to, Anza will also let you edit the assumptions we use to model your project. One of the most important factors affecting the rankings is the energy value or PPA rate. I'm going to reduce the PPA rate to 9 cents, and when I change this and hit save, notice that the modules re-rank are based on this now lower PPA rate. In between when we deliver the ranking table and you elect to start your purchase, Anza will keep tabs on pricing and module availability changes for you, and will send you weekly digests of product, price, or availability changes in your top 5 rankings. You can click through from your email to the project to review the updated ranking table. You can also create your shortlist right from this screen. You can confirm your project details and shortlist up to 3 modules. I'm going to pick the TopCon modules. This is an opportunity for each shortlisted vendor to get you a best and final price and validate that they still have the modules that you want. You can then confirm your intent to purchase and submit. Anza will go to work and confirm pricing and availability. We'll get back to you with results like this. Now, if there is another module that might fit your project and has availability, we'll put that in, along with some reasons for our recommendation. For example, in this Cherry Ridge project, we're recommending 8655, which has recently become available and is a cost-effective option for your project. At this stage, we can also have a discussion about your risk tolerance so that we can help you evaluate your shortlist not only based on financial impact, but also on risk. We can provide our due diligence materials on the manufacturer and products. Once you decide your best module option, you can transact rapidly through our pre-negotiated terms and supply agreements that we already have in place. We believe that you can increase your project profit, reduce risk, and shorten your buying cycle time through Anza, an intelligent procurement platform that enables you to see more and buy better.